Welcome to Blue Mountains. Today we're visiting Adriano's house, and one of the projects we did last year, we wanted to start with a beautiful view in the backyard and the deck, and then show you some of the work that we have done inside. We did the whole house, and let's go take a look. So we're gonna start with the custom built-ins that we did on each side of the fireplace. Here we have a nice gray cabinetry, drawers on the bottom for additional storage for all the things, books and other accessories that you require. Solid wood countertops, again for seating and for protection. In the corner we hide the subwoofer, so it just sits on the shelf, and it's a push open mechanism with the speaker mash on the front. Again, more drawers. And I wanted to take your attention to the little detail that how we scribe the filler to the stone, and that requires a bit of work to make that so nice. We have the TV nicely framed. As you see, everything is so precise, so everything was planned and arranged before it was made. And the client is very particular about little things. He's very specific. So we will show you that in the kitchen as well. So with the kitchen, I wanted to show you, we're gonna start with the nice oversized island. It's a 10-foot by 4-foot wide. We have a beautiful quartz waterfall countertops, grain match. So you see all the grains are actually going on the sides and matching the front. The front of the island has additional storage. So these are doors and actual cabinets, so you can keep stuff like plastic cups or stuff that you don't use as often. And additional, it's always good not to waste any storage. And we'll start from this corner. This is a coffee station, so we made it a little return. It's not as deep, so we have enough clearance. Again, using the same quartz countertops, lots of drawers on the bottom for cups and tea and all of that. In the bottom, we have a push-open Lamont mechanism, so you just open the door. Very popular. You've probably seen it in a couple of our projects, but it's very convenient. You bring all the stuff, comes from the corner, so you don't waste that corner. On the top, we have a nice beveled glass, so the detail is matching the profile of the door, which we call Vancouver. It's a nicely painted light gray color. Also, take a look at the detail we did in the crown molding and how it's scribed to the stone. So that requires a lot of work as well. We'll continue down the kitchen. We have a dovetail solid wood drawers with the cutlery dividers built inside. The next one is our famous popular pull-out spice rack, oil rack. So you see oil bottles, again, they're always greasy. So if you keep them inside a cabinet, they will damage it. And with this one, it's very easy to clean. Just wipe it off and it's done. Same thing on the other side. So they have more oils, more spices, very convenient. And all the drawers are dovetails, but another drawer with the utensil dividers. So all of that is here. The fridge is fully integrated, so it's flush with the front of the panels. And on top, not to waste the space, we did an additional pull-up for all the trays and extra things you want to keep in there. And then again, additional top storage. It is hard to reach, but it's nice to have. It just adds the look, adds the length to the kitchen, and you can keep things that you don't use every day. We'll go now to the island. The island has a popular microwave drawer. Very convenient because it doesn't take any space off your countertop. Press of a button, it comes out. You can warm up your food, you can warm up your coffee. Very nice and easy. On the bottom, you don't lose any space. So we have another deep drawer pull out. Flushly installed dishwasher, double sink that's divided under mount. And then we have a oversized 24-inch pull-out garbage. And we finish it off with the nice wine fridge. And again, the countertops are quartz. They are used both sides of the kitchen, the same color. They also used quartz for the back. And as we were talking to the customer, it's very good to have something that doesn't require a lot of maintenance. So when they had some event last time, there were some things that left on the countertop, some juices, and they just left them there. Now we came back 2 weeks later and wiped it off, and there's no stains, no marks. So it's very nice to have something like that and not worry about your countertop being stained. So very important to to choose to select your material properly. Same as the backsplash, right? So there's some splashes and grease that goes on the back. You just wipe that off and it's done. And this is another room that we did for Adriano, and this is his daughter's room. Very nice elements. So we did barn doors, sliding barn doors in their closet. Behind, they didn't want to build the closet, so we have the barn door sliding down. Then we have a double hang rack on the side, using very cool and interesting looking rollers on the top. Lots of shelving units, lots of drawers. Again, everything is dovetail, solid wood. The upper cabinet we kept for decorative items. It's not really see-through, but again gives you the light inside, and we use a black metal mesh. And again, matching the other side, we have more drawers, more open shelving. Shelving is thick and oversized, and another barn door that has a long hang with some additional drawers behind. And this is a second bedroom for the son. So a little bit different look, very similar material, but now we don't have the barn doors, so just a little bit less room. It's less. We have a desk for the studying, same black mesh doors, closed storage on top, some decorative shelving on the very top with some lights, and then we have drawers inside the cabinet with the long hang rod, and on the other side, same thing. So just a copy of both. And also the other thing is we work with the customer in terms of matching the colors. I love how they did the back wall of this bed with the solid wood, and then we just match a nicely floating tables for extra storage, and put your book. So it's everything is nicely matched in the gray, light, dark grays, and all in the same family. So I hope you guys liked another project of ours by Symphony Kitchens. And before we head out to Toronto and the traffic, we just wanted to spend a few more minutes outside on the deck and enjoy the gorgeous view of the Blue Mountains. And I hope from this house you got some interesting ideas, and there was a lot of interesting elements. So if you have any projects coming up and you have some ideas and you just don't know how to resolve them, or you need some help, just give us a call. We're here. We'll sit down, we'll work it out, and we'll make something beautiful as this. Thank you and have a good day.